Condition 8, thyroid disease. And this one is personal for a lot of people watching, because thyroid problems are among the most commonly missed and misdiagnosed conditions in medicine. If you have been told your exhaustion is just stress, your weight gain is just aging, or your symptoms are just anxiety, please stay with me for this one. Your thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland sitting at the base of your neck, and despite its size, it controls an enormous amount of what happens in your body. Your thyroid produces hormones that regulate your metabolism, essentially the speed at which every cell in your body operates. Think of it like the thermostat in your home. Set it too low and everything slows down. Set it too high and everything races. There are two main types of thyroid disease. Hypothyroidism, where the thyroid is underactive and does not produce enough hormone. Everything slows down, the metabolism drops. Symptoms include persistent fatigue that sleep does not fix, unexplained weight gain even without eating more, feeling cold all the time when others are comfortable, dry skin and hair loss, constipation, brain fog, depression, and a slow heart rate. This is the most common type and affects far more women than men, particularly after the age of 60. Hyperthyroidism, on the other hand, is where the thyroid is overactive and produces too much hormone. Everything speeds up. Symptoms include unexplained weight loss despite eating normally, a racing or irregular heartbeat, feeling hot and sweaty when others are comfortable, anxiety, trembling hands, difficulty sleeping, and frequent bowel movements. Both conditions are diagnosed with a simple blood test measuring TSH, thyroid-stimulating hormone. This is the single most important thyroid number. When TSH is high, your thyroid is underactive. When TSH is low, your thyroid is overactive. So what do? If you recognize these symptoms in yourself, ask your doctor specifically for a TSH blood test. Do not accept fatigue, weight changes, or mood symptoms being dismissed without your thyroid being checked. It is a simple test and it changes lives when it catches what has been missed. Hypothyroidism is often treated with a daily thyroid hormone replacement tablet called Levothyroxine, which most patients take for life and which restores normal function remarkably. Hyperthyroidism has several treatment options, including medication, radioactive iodine therapy, and in some cases, surgery. Thyroid disease is not in your head. It's in your blood work, and you can get it checked.